Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Niña. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my March Sephora Play unboxing. It is here. It came on time this month, and that's the good news. And I'm just going to open it up. I am going to show you what I usually show you. This is the extra beauty insider points. If you take this into the store and make a purchase or purchase online, give them the code, you get extra 50 beauty insider points. The theme is Beauty in Bloom this month. All right, I'm going to put that off to the side. Here is the bag. Let's get into it. I have peeked because, well, after the last few months of not being very happy, I just kind of wanted to, I was really hoping that this month was going to be the month where I was going to be like, okay, I need to keep this subscription. It's a gift subscription, so I'm not the one paying for it, but I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna show you what I got. The first one is the Way Hair Care Wave Spray, and yeah, I don't need any kind of wave spray. I have waves. I have natural waves. I straighten them sometimes, so that one really does nothing for me. This one frustrates me. This is the Sephora Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. I had an allergic reaction to this last time they sent it to me, so I won't be using that one. This one I probably will use. This is the Replica, I don't know which fragrance this is. I don't know. I'm not sure which one this one's called, but, oh, it's Music Festival. I like perfumes, so I'm very excited. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing one that I got a couple months ago, Clean Reserve Suede Oud, I think is what it's called. I really like that one. Really, really like that one a lot. I got the Shiseido, what is this? The Wet Force Turns Invisible Ultimate Sun Protection Lotion 50 Plus. I'm okay with SPF. I am. Sunscreen, I'm okay with that one. So far I have two that I'm really excited about, or at least not unhappy about. I got this Cicapair. I don't know what that is. It is a Derma Green Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment by Dr. Jart. Looks like that. I don't know that I need a color correcting treatment, but I guess I could use it. Yeah, meh. And the last thing I got is the NARS Powermate Lip Pigment in American Woman. I've gotten a lot of lip stuff, and that is what that looks like. I don't hate it, but this is, it's matte, so it's probably a liquid lipstick, which is not my thing. So basically 2 of the 6, 1 I'm really excited about, 1 I'm okay with, and 4 I'm like, no thanks. And I hate to be Debbie Downer because that is not who I am. I like to be a very positive person, but I've been disappointed with Sephora Play again and again and again and again. It's been months in a row since I've had a good box that I feel was worth it. I know it's only $10, but I would almost rather that my husband not spend the $10 every month and just not get this stuff anymore. I'm not happy with what I've been getting, and I know it probably makes me sound like a spoiled brat, but I would rather not have anything, not get anything, than to get things that I can't use, I won't use, I don't like. And that's what I feel like I've gotten for the last 3 to 4 months consistently. And I think I was kind of on the fence about whether or not I was going to tell him I was going to keep this or not, and I just kind of think that it's time to sever that tie and cancel Sephora Play. And I'm sure a lot of people are going to be like, you're crazy, but I'm not enjoying it. And my last subscription box was the Walmart one, and I canceled that too, and that was a gift as well. And it's not like I'm losing money, but I just don't feel right having my husband pay for something that I'm just not enjoying. And I think I'm going to cancel it. I'm kind of curious what your thoughts are for this, because maybe there's some people out there that are going to say, yeah, you really should cancel it if you don't like it, if you're not enjoying it. And others are probably going to say that I should appreciate the gift that I've been given. I want to start a discussion about this. Everyone be nice, please. Be respectful. But I really want to know what you guys think as far as this. I truly believe that I'm probably going to cancel this one. I'm like 99% certain that I'm going to cancel. But I really would like to have an active discussion on what you like or don't like about Play in general over the last few months. And just give me your feedback, because I am curious how other people feel, because right now I'm not feeling very good about Sephora Play, and I don't like to dwell on the negative. I would much rather, be a happy person. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think, because I almost feel like I can't possibly be alone in how I'm feeling with the Play boxes lately. So leave your details in the comments on how you're feeling about Sephora Play. And I did mention something to my husband, and he's like, well, maybe we can get you a different sub box or whatever. But I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence on what I want to do with this. So give me your opinions. I am all ears. Just leave them down in the comments. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.